Hello and welcome. I am Mr. Balne Digambar from Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. Again here in front of you to teach you one simple grammar topic, that is noun gender. In the previous session, I told you, in the previous video, I have taught you what is meant by noun, and here we are going to see some categories of noun. In the previous video, we have seen noun numbers. Now, today we are going to see noun gender. Now, let us see first what is meant by gender. Gender is the quality of a noun or pronoun. See, gender, it is the quality of a noun or pronoun that classifies it into masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. See, noun, gender, it's a quality of a noun. It classifies noun into four types of genders: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Now let us see some examples of these four genders. See, one example is in front of you. See, my brother Dushyant and Mrs. Agarkar's daughter are Kanupriya are friends, and they went to the school. See, here in this sentence, brother is a male, it is masculine gender, daughter female, feminine, friends common gender, school neuter gender. Now let us see what is meant by masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender and neuter gender. Or why do we call the brother feminine gender, sorry, masculine gender, daughter feminine gender? So let us see all these things. First, let us see what is meant by masculine gender. Masculine gender, a noun that denotes a male person or animal, is said to be of masculine. See, a noun which denotes male person, a noun which denotes male person is called as masculine gender. For an example, see, in the first picture we can see horse, male gender it is, king, monk, tailor, wizard. See, these noun denotes male person or male animal. That's why these are masculine genders. Now, feminine gender, a noun that denotes female person, a noun that denotes female person or animal. For an example, as you can see in the images, queen, nun, witch, goat, bee, elf, seamstresses. So these nouns denotes female person or female animal. That's why these nouns are feminine gender. Now next to that, neuter gender. Let us see what is meant by neuter gender. A noun that denotes a thing without life. And one more thing is that is neither male nor female. See, a noun that denotes a thing without life, and that is neither male nor female, is said to be neuter gender. For an example, table, pen, gold, school, these things are without life, and these are neither male nor female. That's why these are neuter gender. For an example, table, pen, school, gold, all these are neuter genders. And the last one is common gender. See, common gender means what? A noun that denotes either male or female, or a female is said to be of these common genders. Something is there, but we are not able to decide whether it is male or female. Something gender is there, but we are not able to decide whether it is male or female. For an example, friend. Friend can be male or female. Students. Students, it can be male or female. Child, it can be either male or female. So, in this kind of case, if we are not able to decide what is it, whether it is male or female, whether it is masculine gender or feminine gender, in that case, we call it as a common gender. See here it is given. Common gender refers to the member of species that can be male or female. These can be either male or female, like teacher. Teacher can be male or female. Some more examples I have given you. Student. Student can be male or it can be female also. Child, friend. So these are some examples of common gender. Now, my dear students, we are going to see after this how to frame or formation of feminine nouns from masculine. Formation of feminine nouns. How to frame feminine gender from masculine gender. There are simple 2-3 rules are there to make feminine gender or feminine noun. See, first one rule is given that by adding ESS to the masculine forms. See, if we add simply ESS suffix to the masculine forms, we can form a feminine noun. For an example, as you can see, structure masculine plus suffix ESS is equal to feminine. For an example, lion, lioness, host, hostess, author, authoress, priest, priestess. See, in these words simply we have added suffix ESS and we have formed feminine nouns. This was the first. Again separate, again different rule is there. By using different words or opposite words, simply we can say by using opposite words we can form a feminine gender. For an example, see, father, opposite to that, mother, horse, mare, brother, sister, nephew, niece, man, woman, gentleman, lady, cock, hen. See, by using different words or instead apart from it, by using opposite words, we can form a feminine gender. Father, mother, horse, mare, girl, boy. So by using opposite words, we can form a feminine noun. Now again one rule is there. By adding another word to the feminine noun to make a compound noun. See, grandfather, masculine, grandmother, feminine. See, by adding another word to the feminine noun, we can get grand plus father, grandfather, masculine, grandmother, grand plus mother, feminine. So we can get for like this, washerman, washerwoman, landlord, landlady, peacock, peahen, granduncle, grandaunt, milkman, milkmaid. So by adding the feminine or masculine noun, we can get one compound noun. So that is, we can make it into the masculine or feminine noun. These are the some examples of to make feminine nouns or to form a feminine nouns. So today we have seen that now gender is the quality of the noun. It classifies into four types. First one is masculine, feminine, common and neuter gender. After that, we have seen what is meant by masculine noun. A noun which refers or which denotes to the male person or animal. For an example, doctor. We have seen many examples. After that, feminine gender. Feminine, a noun that refers or that denotes female person or animal. For an example, queen. We have seen witch. All these examples we have seen. After that, common gender. Common gender also we have seen what is meant by common gender. Common gender, a thing without life, and it is neither male nor female. After that, common gender we have seen. Common gender, it's a noun where we cannot decide whether it is male or female. For an example, students, friends, child, teacher, many examples are of these. After that, we have seen how to form feminine gender from masculine. First rule I have taught you that simply by adding suffix ess we can get we can form a feminine gender. For example, lion, lioness, host, hostess, author, authoress, priest, priestess. After that, we have seen by using different words we can form a feminine gender by using opposite words: father, mother, horse, mare, brother, sister, nephew, niece, and the last one we have seen by making a compound noun. Grand plus father is equal to masculine, grand plus mother is equal to feminine. So these examples we have seen in the chapter noun gender. It's okay, my dear students. If you like it, please reply. Thank you very much.